Hello, today I'm in Dacia Spring. In this video I'll show you how to enable rear sprinklers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To enable rear sprinklers we have to firstly enable rear wiper, and then we have to tilt again this front part of the lever and hold it like this. Let the lever go and then select off to disable this function. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.